cappuccino for me.
Yeah?
A cappuccino for me as well, please.
Yeah, 2 cappuccino. Go.
How do you
Chibo.
Thank you.
Oh, these are beautiful. I think we should just stay here.
I know, it's so much warmer.
Like a bit longer. Okay. This feels good. Yeah. Hey. Like first 5-star bus. Okay, Uda, this is it. It would be really helpful if you can cut the mushrooms, please.
Absolutely.
Hello! This over here is my super close friend Uda.
Hi guys!
From Norway, which is where we've been hiking the whole of today. Actually a little bit this weekend as well. So now we're on another 3-day trip.
We're hiking from Finse to over Hardangervidda to Haugastøl and then down to my cabin. But today we have started, we took it a bit slow because we came at like 11 and then we went to Hardangerjøkulen, which is a glacier that lies just by Finse. And we had lunch next to the glacier.
That was really cool.
Yeah.
I think one of the highlights of today.
And now Soninke is cooking me risotto, which is like my second highlight because this looks with the most beautiful view. It's just so amazing.
Now the sunset spot's pretty special.
Yeah.
Our hiking journey began quite a while back.
How many years?
Well, we started hiking together in South Africa in Cape Town, I think in 2016.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we actually did a big hike not too far from here.
But that was our first overnight hike for both of us.
Yes.
With our own tents and everything on the back. Like previously I'd done like a cabin to cabin but never overnight in a tent. That was truly like incredible. So I think it like lit a fire for both of us actually being outside and like being in nature for overnight. I think that particularly was like huge for me.
And now, 3 years later, how do you taste this quickly?
I've got hair on my head.
Maybe it's hot. Is it still hard?
Still a few more minutes, but it's getting there. Oh my god, the flavor is amazing.
Did you finish the parmesan?
Chica,
There's the last bit.
oh, can I take it?
Yeah,
What about you?
I already took everything. The last one was
Oh my god, this is so good. This is ridiculous.
I know it's nice to make things but at home, but not on camera. Landscape is gorgeous.
That's a clever idea. We can just crochet it.
Something. That would actually be
Oh my
so
god,
cute.
I can ask my mum. Look, in like how we used it yesterday. That red little mark there is the path.
So we're having
Built up!
Let me grab some as well.
Very nice.
What do you see?
See the lunch spot!
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Østlandet in Norway, Lompe, which have now been divided, I can see, but that's perfect because we're now we can have half. Normally they're like a round thing, but
I'm actually almost most excited for this.
obviously that is why anyone ever has sausage. Just doing a little line and a little bit of then make my sausage. So fancy.
So just had a really nice lunch, courtesy of yours truly, Oda. And we have quite a bit of ground to cover this evening to get to where we want to get to, because we have some inclement weather incoming. It's going to be some rain, cold, so we want to get as far along as we can before that hits. And then hopefully we're by Uda's cabin, warm and toasty, just after midday tomorrow.
100% wet. We're gonna be there soaked. I can tell you already. But it's okay.
It's worth it because there'll be a fireplace and a warm bath. So, yeah. Uda, what is it that we're looking at?
We're looking at Hardangervidda, which is basically home. It's where we're going.
So that's the big escarpment in the background. But a lot of distance to cover between now and then.
Rain to come. likes hiking.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a...
I mean, I feel so happy this morning. Even though it's like quite a miserable weather and incredible hiking.
that's kind of what I feel like now. How's it?
Amazing.
Hello!
Hey!
So the last morning, our third day
Yes.
of hiking, getting close to Haugastøl finally, and the landscapes have just changed almost this entire hike.
It's so
every
beautiful.
time.
It's like subtle changes. Like last time we hiked, we did Autumnal, which is like from the high mountain into the fjord, and this time it's just like gradations of color, like bands of color.
Yeah, it's more color changes because like the vegetation's always just been like grasses or bushes or rock, and it's changed from like grey, and yesterday we had some green and yellow, and today we just have red. So even in the distance there where the fjord is, the trees, like it's autumn already, so everything's just orange and yellow and red, and
it's like super misty and moody, but like the rain is kind of held up a little bit, so it's just like,
yeah, it's supposed to rain the whole morning.
I know, it's so nice.
Oh, this is great. I'm so excited to have like the fire with like the autumn like fire outside.
And hot chocolate somewhere.
Okay, heading down. Chances of dancing in town. This is amazing.